see ourselves in the water right up to the peak of the scripture. It means we can't go by boat on the Seine river and we crash into the bridges. On the left-hand side, you have 5 golden domes. Those are the Orthodox Church. It also hosts the Russian Cultural Center, and it's one of the most recent monuments in Paris. It's from 2016. And now, of course, on the left-hand side, you have the star of the show. This is our Iron Lady, the Eiffel Tower. Et bien sûr, sur la gauche, vous avez la star de Paris, c'est la Tour Eiffel. Do you know why it is called the Eiffel Tower? Yes, exactly, it's the name of the engineer that has built Gustave Eiffel. And it was built for the World Fair of 1889, which was the 100 years of the French Revolution. So we French people, to mark this event and impress everyone, in only 2 years, with 2 strikes in the middle of it, because we were still in France, we built the highest tower ever built at the time, about 330 meters, or as American